I haven't seen him for ages. Dear old Robert. Robert, my dear fellow! You are here.
You are a darling. You're an absolute darling.
You too.
I'll see you Monday.
6:30 local time.
Bye now.
Then everything gets faster. See what I mean?
Darling.
Gabriella, darling. Darling, an old friend, Robert Costello.
Oh, Charles.
From X.
We were at school together.
How do you do, Robert?
How do you do? But not you. You're super sensational.
Oh,
An absolute miracle.
wow, what is this? A declaration of love.
Yes.
Oh, it's you, Mademoiselle Gretchen. You're in Paris? Already? Totally out of their depth.
Not leaving. But
Mademoiselle Gretchen, you're here already.
yeah, I came as fast as I could. If you only knew how happy I am to be home.
To live like him, you have to have your wits about you. You have to be in your physical prime.
Who says I'm not?
Oh, no, sir, no. It's obvious. Drink up, monsieur. We are in for a stormy night.
Where is he?
Oh!
Where is Bernard?
I thought he was with you. It's
Oh, but what about
It was, Mother.
I was like, what about it?
But what about what?
I was going to say, what
Think
about
of something else, Bertha.
What about
That's right, Bertha.
The church. I'll be there.
Give her a cognac!
She looks as though she's getting shocked.
No, it's
Here,
fine.
drink this.
Oh, merci, mademoiselle.
Go on, get going.
What? Go on! Yes! I just saw it. Come on, let's go.
Go where?
She's probably tired. Why don't you go and lie down?
Good idea. In here.
Yes, no.
In here?
No!
Oh, yes, in here. Yes!
No! Leave me be. I have to speak to you, sir.
I'm engaged. Speak to me tomorrow.
No, right now.
Tomorrow!
What else can you do, monsieur?
Yes, that's right. I can desert Bernard.